This is how you calculate your standard deviation using the calculator. Okay, you go to mod and then you select statistics. There in this calculator is 3. In some calculators it may be on number 2 there. Okay, so it depends on your calculator. So check in your calculator. You can use your calculator to see how to do this. Okay, but the steps are just almost the same. They're just the same actually. So we select statistics. Okay, in this calculator is on number 3. In other calculators, like I said, it can be in number 2. So I select 3 there for statistics, right? And then we select option 1 there, which says 1 minus var. Okay, 1 minus variance there. Okay, so we select that, and then we enter our data items. First one is 10, whichever way you enter them, but make sure that you enter all the values. Then equals 11 equals 13 equals, it goes on like that. Okay, up to the last ones, 40 equals, then 41 equals. You see that we've entered all the values, and then what do? Then you press AC, then press shift 1. You see that? Okay, after the last value you press AC, then you press shift 1. Okay, and then what do we want here? We want standard deviation, so we go to variance there, which is option 4 in my calculator. Then we enter 4. Then we want standard deviation. You can see the symbols there. And then we say 3, and then we press equal. See, we get our standard deviation, which is 10,17. This is how we use the calculator to find standard deviation.